If you need to charge different customers different pricing, it's absolutely possible with DecoNetwork by using contract price levels. So go into the admin, into products, contract price levels, and here's where you define your levels. Look at it this way. Everyone by default is level 1 retail. No one's special until we say they are. But then we may create another price level, like level 2 contract. Hey, we have some bigger clients. We give them special pricing. Note that these contract price levels can influence both the blank product markup and or the decoration price that we charge the customer. So if you wanted to come in here in the blank product markup, I could have a markup percentage for retail customers, but then contract, I could say, hey, we don't mark up anything. We'll buy it for them at the cost that the supplier says. So you can absolutely have it influence the blank product markup as so. But then you can also come into a decoration method. And down here in decoration pricing, it's a summary of what price table we're going to use for each level, for each decoration method. So within any method, I can have multiple price tables created. And then I can select my level, choose which table I want to use. And then if I had a contract, I could come over here, price table, add a price table, create a new table. Call it contract. And then when I choose level 2, instead of using the default, I'll use the contract table. So that's how we can map how much we're going to charge. But how do we assign this to a customer? Well, it's pretty simple. Within Business Hub, we got to make sure we refresh because we just added new contract price levels. We can go into a customer and or a company account and assign this price level. So I can come into a company, and within the account details of the company, I can put them on that contract price level, which will allow me to take advantage of those special pricing and pass them on to any of the contacts within the company. So when Andrew needs to put together a quote or he's requesting a quote, so we'll create a quote for Andrew, it is going to automatically be using that contract price level because he's underneath the company Pataskala Promos. If I go into a customer's account, so we'll just go into Rich Webs, I can go into the account details, do the exact same thing. Hey, this individual is on this contract price level. When I go to create a quote or an order, it is going to default to it. If Rich logged into the website, it will automatically do the exact same thing. So if the customer's logged in, they're automatically taking advantage of their specific unique pricing that we have set up for them. It's a very powerful tool. Also know that this can be used at a store level. So if you want to make pre-decorated products price correctly, as in this, I want to use a totally different pricing method for print on demand pre-decorated products, it's absolutely possible. You can assign the contract price level within the store itself. If you have any questions on how to create and assign contract price levels, simply come up to the question mark here and you will find many great resources, including the ability to raise a support ticket, which contacts client services, who is always available to help you whenever you have questions. If you have any other questions, please visit the DecoNetwork Help Center, and we hope that this video was helpful. Thank you.